Hi. Good morning everyone. In this session we will learn how to install Xilinx ISC design suite in our devices. Okay. Now I will tell you what are the steps involved in this process. Okay. Before installing the Xilinx ISC, you must have Microsoft Visual C++ files in your device. If it is already there, you don't need to install it again. If those files are not there in your laptop, you need to install them. Okay, so to install those C++ files in your computer, you need to follow this link. Just click on this link. Then you will redirect to the Microsoft C++ directory files. Here you will find a list of C++ files here. Among this list, you need to select the particular version or the particular architecture which is suited for your device. Here I am selecting the version 17.0 and 64-bit architecture. Why? Because here I am using the Windows 11 software. Okay. To download that, just click on the download here. If you click on this download, the file will automatically downloads. Okay. Next, after downloading this Microsoft Visual C++ files, next you need to download the Oracle Virtual Machine. Okay. To download this Oracle Virtual Machine in your systems, just click on this link we have provided in the document. Just follow this link. This is the page from where you can download the Oracle Virtual Machine. Here I am using the Windows 11, right? That's why I am selecting the Windows host here. You can download the file depending upon your device requirements. Okay. Just click on this Windows host. Then the file will automatically download. Here you can see the process of downloading the Oracle file. Okay. Now the Oracle VirtualBox file is downloaded to my device. Now we need to download the Xilinx ISC design suite. Okay. To download the Xilinx ISC 14.7 design suite, we need to go to the official website of this AMD website. For that, just click on this link. This link will redirect you to the official website for the AMD page. Here you will find a 14.7 version for the Windows 10. Here you will find this, right? This version is suitable for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. It will work for both versions. Okay. Just click on this. Here you will find the RAR file for the 14.7 version of the Xilinx design suite. Okay. Just click on it. This will redirect you to the AMD sign-in page. Here you need to create an account in the AMD page. By filling your personal details like your name, email address. With that, the account will be created. Here I am already having an AMD account. That's why I am just clicking on the sign in button. Here I will give my details and I will directly sign in. Okay. After signing, just recheck your details here and just simply click on the download. Here you can observe that the Xilinx ISC 14.7 for Windows 10 is downloading. This file is nearly 15.5 GB, I think. It will take a little bit of time to download the file. Okay. It will take more time to download the software. Why? Because it is nearly 16 GB of file it is. That's why it will take more time to download. So once the software is downloaded, now I will just move all the 3 files we have already downloaded into a particular folder for the ease of access. Okay. So I'm just moving this file. So once you downloaded all the 3 softwares or all the 3 files, so just paste those all 3 files in a separate folder. Here I am placing all the 3 files in E drive. Okay. So after placing all the 3 files here, so now we need to install the files one by one. Okay. So after downloading all the 3 files, I have just moved all 3 files to one folder. That is, I have pasted all the 3 files into e-disk. So now it's time to install all the 3 files one by one. Okay. So first we will see how to install this Microsoft C++ files. Okay. So to install these files, just double click on them. So just tick the agreement and then click the install button. So give the permission and then click yes. So now the Microsoft Visual C++ files are installed successfully. So after that we have to install the VirtualBox. So just close this one and now click on this VirtualBox file. So click on yes. So now select next. So here you can choose the location where you want to install this VirtualBox. If you want to modify, so you can browse here and you can you can select the path here. Okay. So after selecting the path or the location for this VirtualBox application, so just click on next and click on yes. And finally click on the install button. So the installation was finished. So just click on the finish button. So once the installation is completed, so you can find an icon created on your desktop. So after installing the Oracle VirtualBox, so now it's time to install the Xilinx ISC design suite. So to do that, just extract this RAR file. And select the path where you want to extract the files. So once you extracted all files from the ISC design suite, so go to the folder where you have extracted those files. So just to open that folder, So the extraction is almost yet to complete. So my folder is extracted now. So just to open the extracted folder here. So here go to bin. So open this folder. So here you will find a file with the validate virtualization enabled. Here you will find this file, right? So just to open this file using the notepad. So just to give the right click on it and select the open with notepad. So after opening this file, you will find your program here. Like here, you will observe one if else condition is there. So what you have to do means, so here in front of the else statement, so you need to put the double slash. So what is the meaning of putting double slash means? So if we put double slash means we are just disabling that else statement. Okay. So just put a double slash or you can put hash. So here I am just putting a double slash and I am just saving this file by clicking Ctrl S. So after saving this file, just close the file. Okay. So now it's time to install the Xilinx ISC design suite. So for that, so you need to click on the setup file. So just click on the allow. And select next. So then a pop-up window will open. So here you need to click on the continue and just agree the terms and then click on next. Again next. So in my device it is already installed. So that's why I have changed the name to just here I have given 3 number. So here you can change the installation directory as your requirement. And here you need to create a folder. So this folder is to store your codes, Verilog or VHDL codes. So whatever you simulate in this Xilinx ISC, those programs will be stored in this folder. Okay. So for that purpose, I'm just creating one new folder here with the name like Xilinx codes. So I'm just selecting this folder and open. So after selecting the folder for this virtual machine, so just simply click on the next and finally click on the install button. So it will take some time to install this Xilinx ISC design suite. So just wait. Please don't close the installation process in the middle. Okay. So please wait until the total design suite is installed successfully. So please don't close the installation tab. So if you want, you can minimize.
So with that, the installation is complete.